In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a live portfolio website using Figma and Framer, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make sure you have your Figma account ready. If you don't have an account yet, head over to figma.com and log in using your email or your Google account. It's super straightforward, just enter your credentials and you're good to go. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Now direct your attention to the lower left corner of your Figma dashboard. Click on Explore Community and then take a look at the See All Plugins section. Figma's community is bustling with innovative tools, and plugins are there to streamline your workflow. For our project, we need to install a specific plugin that's free to use. So in the search bar, type in Figma to HTML with Framer. This plugin will be our bridge from Figma to Framer. Once you find it, click Install and wait a moment while the plugin becomes part of your toolkit. With the plugin installed, continue developing your design by editing your components and layouts just like you would in Figma. This step is critical as it ensures your design is exactly the way you want it to appear on your website. Treat this stage with care, refining and adjusting until you're satisfied with the visual appeal. Next, the fun part begins. Start adding dynamic effects and animations to your design elements. Animations bring life and interactivity to your website, enhancing user experience. Framer makes it easy to integrate these elements, so feel free to experiment with different animations to find what best fits your design style. After you've added animations, it's time to structure your site by adding pages and links. Decide on the navigation flow, making sure users can easily move through your content. A well-organized site not only looks professional but is also user-friendly, which is crucial for engaging visitors. Finally, to bring your hard work to fruition, you're going to publish your site. Framer offers an option to publish your site to a free domain, making your portfolio not only live but accessible from anywhere. It's just a few clicks away, and soon enough your design will be right there on the web for everyone to see. And there you have it. In a few streamlined steps, you've not only learned how to design a portfolio in Figma, but also how to translate that into a live interactive website using Framer. It's quick, it's efficient, and it's a surefire way to showcase your work to the world. Thank you for following along, and I hope you enjoy bringing your projects to life.